Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which shop tags you will remove and why: security, cleanup, or reclassification. Once done, export a CSV or snapshot so you can undo changes if needed. Next, filter the product list by the tag name and select the items you'll edit. Make sure to work in a staging view if available. This prevents accidental live changes. Now perform the initial removal on a small batch to verify results and ensure the process behaves as expected before scaling. Now handle the core removal step. Choose bulk editing for many products or manual edits for exceptions. If using bulk edit, clear the tag field or use a replace rule to strip the tag from selected rows. For single items, open each product record, remove the tag, and save. If you have thousands of items, use an API script or CSV import with empty tag values to automate. This scales safely. Throughout, watch for dependencies like collections or automation rules that also rely on those tags. Finish by reindexing collections and clearing caches so the storefront reflects changes immediately. Once done, verify search results, customer-facing collections, and any automation rules that use the removed tags. Update those rules if needed. Make sure analytics or feed integrations still map correctly. If something goes wrong, restore the exported CSV backup or revert via version history. Then run the removal on a smaller subset to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: check for hidden tags with leading / trailing spaces or different capitalization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.